Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing this split open stitched mouth Halloween makeup look. And today I decided to do this with staples instead of stitches. First, with a white eyeliner pencil, I sketched out where I wanted the mouth to go. Then I rolled up a piece of the Synwax and adhered it to my face with liquid latex. And then I'm using petroleum jelly to help flatten it and smooth it out, trying as best as possible to make it look like it's part of my skin. Then I repeat the same process on the other side. Here I'm going over top of it with a foundation to match my skin tone. Then with the palette knife, I am cutting into it, making this split. Be careful not to poke through to your skin. Then using a Ben Nye Bruise color wheel, I'm using the red shade to make the skin look irritated around the opening. Then with red face paint, I'm starting to fill in the split area. Then I go in with some black to sort of darken the deepest areas. Next, I'm using some industrial staples that I cut down to size and dipping both ends into the liquid latex and then adhering them over the split area to make it look like we stapled our face back together. I decided to add the staples before the blood because I wasn't sure if they would adhere after being in a wet area. Now I'm adding some fake blood in between the staples and sort of around the opening that the staples would cause. Trying my best to keep the staples as they are and not put the blood over them. And I let the blood drip in some areas. Then I added some red eye makeup and now I'm adding a burgundy lipstick to the lips. And adding a few more drips to sort of incorporate the lips into the whole look. And that completes our split mouth stapled shut makeup look. I think this could be a fun horror style makeup look for Halloween. And if you wanted to add a little something to the look, you could also add some contact lenses. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.